Good afternoon, teacher. Activity option B. When are you going to travel? We are going to travel to Santa Marta, Colombia. What city, place are you going to visit? We are going to visit Rodadero, Parque Tayrona, and Taganga. Where are you going to stay? Where are you going to stay in luxury hotel Calle Costa Azul? What are you going to wear? We are going to wear light and comfortable clothes since the weather is hot. Who are you going to invite to that travel? My family, with my wife, my daughter, and my sons. What activities will you do in that place? We will go sing saints. We will walk around downtown. We will walk along the beach. We will swim in the sea. And we will rest and relax in those beautiful beach. How much money will you spend there? I think we will spend 4 to 5 million pesos approximately. Will you bring a souvenir from your vacations? Yes, I will. I will bring souvenirs for my parents, my brothers, and my parents-in-law. Thank you very much.